welcome back to my channel and to a new travel adventure. Well, the packing portion of this travel adventure. I am going to be gone for the next 2 weeks and I'm going to be on a cruise. It's 2 separate voyages, but the first voyage is going to be Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady Mermaiden, and I could not be more excited. My mom and I are going to be sailing for 6 nights. And a Mermaiden is basically Virgin's way of calling out like an inaugural sailing. It's the first time the ship is going to be here in the US. She's been over in Europe for quite some time now, and she's making her way over to the US. And we're going to be on the ship for the very first time that she's in the country. Richard Branson is apparently also going to be on the ship, so this is just going to be like a wild cruise. It's 6 nights. We are going to Roatan, Costa Maya, and Bimini. And once that voyage ends, I stay on for the second half of the voyage. I never really wanted to talk about it because I always kind of wanted to keep my professional life separate from my personal life. But I work for Virgin Voyages. There, I've said it, whatever. Like, I never wanted to talk about what I did because when I was working for a previous cruise line, I was just like, nope, like, let's keep it separate. But Virgin is just such an amazing company that has been offering me so many amazing opportunities, and this is one of them. I work in product development, assisting in making all of the shore things, as they call them, aka shore excursions, for the company. So I am then going to be on the second voyage for Valiant, which goes to San Juan, St. Croix, Puerto Plata, and back to Bimini. So we have a lot of packing to do. Let me show you the list so that you're mentally prepared. Yeah, so we have 2 weeks of clothing that we have to pack, and this is just, it's gonna be a lot. This is gonna be pretty repetitive of my Norwegian pack with me vlog, but now that the work trip is also involved, there's some other aspects like security equipment, like uniforms, like that I just need to also incorporate with this. So I figured I would share that all with you and show you what it is to pack for 2 weeks. And 2 weeks living on a ship. Well, it's 13 nights, but 2 weeks. So, let's start packing. Okay, I already went to the garage and grabbed my suitcases. I'm gonna need 2. But I figured, let's start on the carry-on first because I already know what's gonna go in here because I know that it's just not gonna fit in there because I need this just for clothes. So, going here in the carry-on is going to be my handy dandy blanket that I do not go anywhere without. And then I have become really good friends with one of our crew members on board, and while we're sailing, it's also going to be Halloween. So Spooky Queen is just super excited. But anyways, my girl Nikki asked me to bring her some candies that she had Amazon primed to my house because if not, it takes like 3 weeks to get to the ship and whatever. Long story short, she wasn't gonna have her candy in time. So, I have to put all this in the carry-on. So, let's try to, I'm gonna somehow make this work. Also, per Virgin's policy, you are allowed to bring 2 750 milliliter bottles of wine. So my mom and I got a rosé and a Sauvignon Blanc. And this will probably last us a day, but it is what it is for winos. Oh, and it has to go in your carry-on. You can't check it in. So you guys already know where I stand on like bringing nighttime outfits and daytime outfits per my Norwegian Pack With Me vlog, which if you haven't seen that vlog, I will link it down below for you. But now in terms of like workwear, so I know that when I'm on the pier, basically have to be like a Virgin t-shirt and like khaki shorts. But then the days that we're at sea and I'm not really like sailor facing, you know, doing anything like that, I can literally just be in jeans and like a t-shirt. So I'll probably just take like 1 or 2 pairs of jeans and just figure out some t-shirts to wear with that. All right, so let me just get all my Virgin stuff out of the closet and we can then figure out the day working clothing. Virgin colors aren't just red. We also have like purple, which That's why I did purple nails. But I just love how soft and comfortable the shirts are. And also the polo too, just like cute little Virgin logo there. Love that. Oh, I need my shorts. I know, very attractive. Okay, so now let's go ahead and pack the rest of my clothes. Welcome to the organized mess of everything that I am gonna pack clothing wise. So I went ahead and grabbed all of my night clothes there. I'm probably gonna wear that on embarkation day. Here are my beach cover-ups, stuff that I'm gonna wear like the days that we're just at sea while I'm working. Maybe if I get to go on a shore thing. I have a little sundress there and a skirt and a bodysuit, work clothes, beach bag and backpack, my hats, all of my bathing suits because I need 10 bathing suits. Don't ask me why. I have some loungewear, pajamas, workout clothes, just an oversized t-shirt and some biker shorts, 2 pairs of heels, a nude and a black, flip-flops, sneakers, a million pairs of socks. But yeah. So a really fun aspect of this cruise is that on Monday it's Halloween, so we get to celebrate Halloween on, you know, in the middle of the ocean. So let me show you what I have planned as my costume. I literally have like not had any time whatsoever to actually go and get like an actual costume from Spirit or craft anything. So I figured I'm gonna do this kind of like skeleton kind of makeup, and then I'm probably just gonna wear like a bralette with a blazer and like some black pants. Black pants. And the blazer. Let's get to folding. So I went ahead and packed everything up in my main suitcase. And now let's move on to cosmetics. Wait, before we move on to cosmetics, there is another very important aspect to being a woman traveling alone that I need to grab and tell you guys about. So I found these on Amazon, and it is these 2 security equipment things. So you put this like right in where the door closes, and then you do like a little, like you lock it in like that, and it adds an extra layer of protection so that nobody like gets into the door. And let's say God forbid like you forgot to put that on, but you have this like little door stopper on. Is this the one that has the battery in it? Hold on. Yes, okay. This has a very, very loud alarm. I'll play it, show it for you. Yeah, I know, very loud. But yeah, even though I do feel very safe on the cruise ships, this just gives me extra peace of mind. So put that in my suitcase ASAP. Very importantly, just finished packing all of my jewelry accessories in here, and I cannot forget my most important accessory is my official Virgin name tag for the work portion of this trip. Okay, and now really time for cosmetics. Okay, so I've laid out all of my cosmetics, and even though I am gonna be gone for 2 weeks, I still want to bring travel size items. Like, they can last me the whole 2 weeks, and I don't want an overcrowded bathroom with all of my mom's crap. So I still have like my travel size perfumes. There are only a couple of things that I am bringing like full size of, just because it is what it is. Like my moisturizer, body lotion, you know, oops, sunscreen and like detangler. So, oh my god, I have a hot mess today. So, all right, let's pack it all up. Remember, never forget your bar of soap when going on a cruise because they don't give you bars of soap. Well, I mean, Virgin does, but it's like a very small, thin bar. Nothing that you can wash your bits with. There's still some makeup and other cosmetics that I haven't put in my bag yet just because I need them tonight and I need to do my makeup tomorrow morning, so I will just pack that in the morning. The suitcase, I can see from here, I'm gonna have to go into this with the expander already on, so this is not gonna be fun bringing all this stuff back. Alrighty guys, well that's going to be it for me. I hope you enjoyed packing along with me and hope you got some good tips and tricks on what to take for your business trip. A lot of the stuff that I have here in terms of like the security equipment, some of my loungewear, I have all that linked over in my Amazon storefront. And if you haven't gotten the chance to go ahead and check it out, go to the link in my bio on Instagram or linktree.com/Gaby Reyes and you can see all of my links there to my TikTok, my Amazon storefront, and to my YouTube page. So pretty please do not forget to give this video a big old thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next travel adventure, which the next vlog will be the Valiant Mermaiden. So make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss the premiere. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.